money can't buy happiness. Maybe, but it sure buys silence. The kind that hums through a penthouse high above the city, where the glass walls touch clouds and the floor smells like imported cedar. You ever hear the sound of a V12 start in a room that costs more than your childhood block? It ain't loud, it's art. Leather so soft, it could make your heart skip. Buttons that click like confidence. You don't drive a car like that. It carries you, like a promise made out of steel. And then there's the watch. Not digital, not buzzing, just ticking. Slow, arrogant, handmade by someone who probably hates alarms. Every tick says, you made it. Every second whispers, don't forget who didn't. The night hits different in a place that glows without effort. The pool reflects the city lights, like stars trying to get a closer look. You dip your hand in, feel the warmth, not from the sun, but from the price tag. Luxury isn't about shouting it out. It's about being able to whisper and still be heard. Real class doesn't chase attention. It makes the world pause. Every reflection, every scent, every step, designed to make time slow down.